actually kind of halfway sort of use UW's resolver to get some information. So anyway, I've added one on my state library here, so that's already saved. And back here. And I'm just going to, I don't know why I picked this example because it's hard to type it. Oh, good, it's saved. Let's create a misspelled paper now. Okay. Notice that I have these links out here to EBSCO host full text. EBSCO host full text. It's because EBSCO is sending a file of our journals that are available full text to Google, supposedly on a weekly basis, our coverage and so on. And because they're doing that, you can bring up an article in Google and click on the EBSCO host full text. And go drill right into the article. Now, of course, that worked really well because we're in an authenticated site, and I need to go back and make sure that they add our proxy server to the configuration so that a user timeout in a minute will go right into an article. So that's and that's live right now. You can do that.
Just a quick question. If you do that with your proxy server, do you have any idea what will happen with it after that? Will it go to our proxy server?
What I would encourage you to do, because you have serial solutions and your own open URL resolver, is talk to me about getting the names you need to have EBSCO host set it up for you. And I say that also because you have some different EBSCO databases than we do statewide. So it would be best for you to have your own configuration for people to add to their Scholar preferences, to not add the state library one, and instead add, like you saw back here, like find at UW. So they're really responsive to doing this, and the actual real life person I talked to at Google was very nice and gave me the names that he'd been working with at EBSCO to get that going. So yeah, for people with their own resolver, own proxy server, it'd be best to do that. Thanks. I can send you that if you remind me. And Patrick asked earlier if you were familiar with LiveX. Is there anyone here who would like me to talk about it super briefly at all? It's another Firefox extension. It allows you really quickly access to searching into your catalog from virtually any web page. You can highlight text and open a search into your Wildcat. And we have a live edition now because we were holding off. It's been a year because we're trying to really work on what resolver we were going to use, which is, when I say that, it's a product, a piece of software that takes a look at a link from the internet and deciphers its ISSN, article, ID, so on, author, title, volume, etc. of a journal, and looks at your resolver and says, oh yes, this is available here in your resources. The academics have their own. We're kind of in between trying to use the one that came with VDX, which really wasn't working that well, and right now we're testing one called WorldCat Link Manager, which has some good features and some not so good features, but I'll probably have some information out about downloading that and trying it out and how it works and so on. So any quick questions? Because Brian came in and gave me this. So I guess they don't want you to know what we're bringing. Okay. Well, if you have any questions, you can email me or Patrick's P. White at WYLD. So let us know if you think of something later or catch us later at lunch or whatever. And I hope you all bought the 50. If you haven't, see me. No, that's a good discussion. I haven't done it.
Sometimes downstairs.